Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, for instance from SD card to the phone storage and vice versa. And to get started, we want to open up files, so pull up the up drawer and then go into Samsung folder. As you can see right here, that's basically where it's located. And so right here in the middle, my files, go in it. And then you'll see your internal storage, which is the devices built-in storage, and then the SD card that you put in. So the image that I will transfer is basically located on the SD card, but you can do it basically from internal storage to SD card as well, and it works literally the same exact way. So you basically choose your storage and find the location of your images. Now, if you're trying to copy, let's say, your entire photo album that you have basically from the photos that you have taken with this device, it will be located in the internal storage in the DCIM folder right here. Now, this one is empty because there's no photos, but for instance, actually, I'm gonna, just as an example, take a photo so you can get a clear view of it. So there it is, there is one photo. And now if I were to go back into the up right here, DCIM, you'll see there's a camera folder, and then there's the image that I have just taken. So you can basically select this entire folder by holding it and then drag that. And then you have options right here, so you can copy it or move it. Now copy will basically make an additional copy of the images, an entire folder that you can move, for instance, to the SD card, but you will then have two copies of it, that one is still on your phone. Or you can just move it, which will basically cut it from here and move it to a desired location. Now I am gonna go back to my SD card and then select the image that I want to move, like so. And then I will just tap on move because that's what I want to do. And then you have, once you are in the location that you want to move it to, you can just tap on move here. But I'm gonna go into internal storage and, for instance, drop it into folder downloads, if I can find it right here, and then move here. And now it's on the phone's built-in storage in the download folder. But you can do it basically with anything, other folder or files, and move it to wherever you like. But yeah, that is basically how you would move photos. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.